Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I am bringing you the Magiforet Moroccan Argan oil, and it's cold pressed. It's 100% pure organic, and here it is right here. And I'm going to open it and see. So this is the box that it came in, and I'm going to open it and see. This is exactly what it is. Okay, so it's 100% pure organic, and this is how it looks. And doesn't really say anything else except what it is. It's Moroccan argan oil, and it's pure organic, and that's about it. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'll put all the information in the comment section as well. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.